Ja, de har ikke fået forberedt det så godt. 3 uger, de har ikke nok forberedelsestid, så mig og Jonas bliver valgt at komme og lave lidt morgenunderholdning for jer. Vi skal bruge noget hjælp til publikum imellem 3 scener, som bliver valgt fra 3 forskellige serier, tv-serier. Og så vil vi gerne have, at publikum kommer op og prøver at se, om de kan gætte fra hvilken serie scenen er fra. Tak. Første scene. Nogen, der har et frisk gæt. Hvad siger du dernede, Dago? Ja, det er korrekt. Smukt.
Nej.
Så kommer næste scene. Yes. Det er en telefon. Hello. Oh, Arthur, it's me, Doc.
What can I do for you?
Actually, I was just calling to check the messages on the machine. So just hang up and I'll call you right back.
Gotcha. Hello?
Arthur, didn't I just ask you not to pick up?
No, you said you hang up and you're called right back.
Oh, well what I meant was, I wanted the machine to get it. So I'm trying to read my messages.
Don't you just want me to check them for you?
No, thank you. No, last time you did that, you erased all the messages, and our outgoing messages ended up, unplug the lamp. So just let it ring, okay?
Fine, you will. I'm just playing it. Ring. Hello?
Arthur, what did I just say?
Sorry. You want me to break my habits? That's not easy.
Well, I'm running out of freaking change here.
Fine. Ring, ring. Hello?
Arthur, what is this? Some kind of sick little joke?
Sorry. It's not easy to break a 75 years old habit on instinct in a moment.
Well, just don't pick up, right?
Fine, I'll go downstairs.
Thank you.
Hello?
Arthur!
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god!
What the hell is wrong with you? What's going on in your little head? I need to find out! Godt. Den her gang, der var der jo så navn på, så den bliver måske ikke så svært. Nogen, der har et bud? Hvad skal vi se? Helt dernede bedst. Ja, det er korrekt. Smukt. Nu kommer der en af de gange, hvor vi siger pip, det er fordi vi nævner navnet, så det ikke bliver for nemt. Vi starter.
Oh look, let's beep and beep. Hello, beep and beep. Oh, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, jeg glemte at sige godt, så tag ryggen på og sige til at rolle. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh, beep beep, beep beep. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh, beep beep, beep beep. That's okay, that's okay. No, that's not okay. They are doing it. They are doing it. I know, I know. You know. Yeah, and we know, and we know. But we don't know. You have to stop screaming. Bye.